If your kitchen feels stuck in last year, this is the video you've been waiting for. Mid-2025 has officially arrived, and with it, a brand new wave of smart, stylish, and handy kitchen gadgets on Amazon that everyone is adding to their cart. We're talking about game-changing appliances, multi-use tools, and clever organizers that are going viral for a reason. So grab your seat and let's start with the first gadget. Looking for a showstopper for your next dinner party? The prestige Nook ExtraLarge salad bowl is it. It is made from rich, high-quality acacia wood, and it looks incredible on any table. You're getting a full 12 inches of serving space, and it even comes with matching wooden utensils to keep things elegant from bowl to plate. Whether you're serving salads, fresh fruit, or party snacks, this bowl handles it all, stylishly. It's not just beautiful, it's functional, durable, and designed to impress. This one's a total microwave game changer. Meet the Hover Cover Magnetic Splatter Cover. It sticks to the top of your microwave when not in use, so no more fumbling in a drawer or leaving it on a messy counter. When you're heating leftovers or cooking up soup, pull it down and pop it on. It covers your plate, vents steam, and prevents those nasty splatter explosions. It fits most standard microwaves, plus the cool touch handles mean you won't burn your fingers pulling it out. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfect meat every single time. The Thermomaven Smart Meat Thermometer gives you pro-level precision whether you're grilling, roasting, or slow cooking. With two ultra-thin probes, this thing monitors your meat and your grill without lifting the lid. It handles crazy high temperatures, up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, and gives real-time updates through a smart display or the companion app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Yes, that means you can monitor your brisket from your phone while chilling on the couch. Small but mighty, this is one of those gadgets that quietly becomes your favorite. The Kitchen Dow 3-in-1 Porcelain Ginger Grater is built to do more with less space. The sharp porcelain teeth are perfect for grating ginger, garlic, chocolate, and hard cheese. But it doesn't stop there. Flip it over, and it works as a spoon rest. And that little notch? It's an herb stripper. Seriously. 3 tools in one smooth ceramic design. It's compact enough to fit any drawer, and it's way easier to clean than those bulky metal graters. Okay, this gadget is not flashy, but it's ridiculously useful. The ZA 3-in-1 Sink Strainer isn't just a strainer, it's also a stopper and an odor blocker, all in one sleek stainless steel tool. It fits standard 3.5-inch drain holes perfectly and has a food-safe anti-clogging basket that traps kitchen scraps before they hit your pipes. And yes, it actually seals when you want to fill the sink with water. No more slow leaks or guessing if the stopper is working. Say goodbye to eyeballing ingredients and hello to precise, mess-free measuring. The Suet Yamichi measuring cup set gives you 3 perfectly sized cups, 1 cup, 2 cups, and a hefty 4-cup option. What sets them apart? Each cup is marked with multiple measurement scales, cups, ounces, and milliliters, so no more converting mid-recipe. Plus, the angled lip and easy pour spout mean no more drips down the side of your mixing bowl. They stack neatly so they'll fit in any drawer. Need an extra burner or cooking in a tiny space? The Techwood single burner packs a serious punch in a compact form. At 1500 watts, it delivers fast, even heat through a durable 7.5-inch stainless steel cooktop, ready to tackle anything from boiling water to frying eggs. It works with just about any cookware, aluminum, cast iron, you name it. The adjustable temperature knob gives you full control, and the Stay Cool handles make it super safe to move around. Now this is a chef's knife that means business, the Hosanho 7-inch Nikki knife. It blends traditional Japanese craftsmanship with modern power. Forged from high-carbon stainless steel, it's designed to stay razor-sharp, slice after slice. We're talking effortless precision through veggies, meat, and even delicate herbs. The scalloped blade reduces sticking, while the pack-a-wood handle feels amazing in your hand, balanced, comfortable, and ready for long prep sessions. With a 15-degree cutting edge, this knife glides like butter. Protect your counters in style with the K. Silicone Trivets. These aren't your grandma's pot holders.
Heat-resistant up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit, they're perfect for placing under hot dishes, pans, or air fryer baskets. Each one folds up compactly but opens wide enough to support big cookware. They're made from food-grade silicone and nylon, which means they're non-toxic, grippy, and dishwasher-safe. For anyone tired of singed counters and clunky wooden trivets, these are modern, flexible, and built to handle the heat. Level up your mornings with a toaster that actually thinks. The Keystone 4-Slice Smart Toaster is the smartest toaster you've ever seen. With a sleek touchscreen interface and dual independent slots, it lets you toast bagels on one side and waffles on the other, at 6 different browning levels. Want it crispier? Tap the screen. Need to reheat or defrost? Built-in functions have you covered. Plus, the 75-degree angled display lets you control it while standing up without bending over.
Need a pan that can handle your biggest meals and still cook clean and healthy? Meet the Red Chef Ceramic Sauté Pan. With a massive 5-quart capacity, this jumbo cooker is perfect for one-pan meals, family dinners, and weekly meal prep. But it's not just big, it's brilliantly safe. No PFAS, no PFOA, no lead, no cadmium. Just a silky, mineral-based non-stick ceramic coating that lets your food slide right off. Compatible with every cooktop, including induction, and oven-safe up to a scorching 842 degrees Fahrenheit. Yup, it's built for serious cooks. Calling all bakers. Whether you're whipping cream or kneading dough, the Yomalo 9-speed hand mixer has your back. With a 400-watt whisper-quiet DC motor and 9 precision speed settings, this mixer is built for control. And when you need a burst of power, just hit that turbo boost. It comes loaded with stainless steel beaters, dough hooks, and a net whisk, neatly packed into a snap-on storage case. The digital display and touch button controls make it a breeze to use, and the soft start feature prevents messy splashes. Want to turn veggies into low-carb noodles in seconds? The Shine electric spiralizer does it all, fast, clean, and hands-free. Whether you're spiralizing zucchini for zoodles, carrots for a salad, or beets for garnish, this machine gets it done. Just lock in your veggie, press the button, and watch the automatic blade spin your ingredients into perfect strands. It comes with 4 blade attachments, so you can switch up textures anytime. The 60-ounce container catches your noodles mess-free, and when you're done, everything stores neatly inside. If you're serious about coffee, your grinder should be too. The Shardor Burr coffee grinder is precision-built with 32 grind settings, from ultra-fine espresso to bold French press coarseness. The 40-second digital timer ensures you get the exact grind every time for full flavor and perfect aroma. This compact powerhouse has a removable hopper, tot burr, and grounds container for easy cleaning. Powered by 200 watts and holding up to 6.7 ounces of beans, it's ideal for small kitchens but makes a big impact. Slice, shred, and dice like a pro with the Orocomb Mandoline food slicer. This multitasking kitchen gadget comes with 6 razor-sharp stainless steel blades that can handle everything from paper-thin cucumber slices to chunky cheese shreds. With its 2-liter food catcher, your prep stays clean and contained. Safety is covered with a removable handguard to protect your fingers. And after the chopping's done, just rinse or pop the blades in the dishwasher. Running out of space in your kitchen? Meet the Lifewit Spice Rack Organizer, the compact miracle worker that transforms chaos into order. With its pull and rotate design, you'll never dig through messy cabinets again. Spin it, grab it, done. Adjustable shelves fit spice bottles up to 2.8 inches wide, perfect for your full collection. It's built with durable plastic, anti-slip rubber mats, and non-slip feet to keep everything stable and safe. Plus, it comes with a detachable top shelf. If you're low on space but big on organization, this one's a must-have. Why own 5 appliances when one cooker can do it all? Meet the Comfy 16-in-1 pressure cooker. With a whopping 8-quart capacity, it's ready to feed the whole crew, 6 to 8 people, easy. Choose from 16 smart presets, from juicy meats to hearty oatmeal. Accessories? Fully loaded. Ladle, steam rack, measuring cup, and more. And don't miss the delay start timer, so dinner's hot the second you walk in. Oh, and cleanup? That non-stick inner pot is a breeze.
If you're cooking for the family, this one's a total time and space saver.
Bacon lovers, rejoice! The Gilmo microwave bacon cooker is here to make mornings crispier and cleaner. Crafted from food-grade silicone, this tray handles heat like a champ and drains away grease with deep grooves for that perfect crispy finish. Big handles make it easy to grab, even when hot, and the non-stick surface means no scrubbing. Say goodbye to greasy skillets and paper towels. Just pop it in, press start, and enjoy perfectly cooked bacon in minutes. It's a total game changer for quick, healthy breakfast bliss. Serious about your tea? Then you need the Eastern Electric Kettle, a sleek, smart, and stylish upgrade for any countertop. With 6 smart temperature presets, this kettle knows exactly how to brew green tea, black tea, pour over coffee, and more. Made with borosilicate glass, 304 stainless steel, it's built to last and safe to use. The 1.5-liter capacity is perfect for families or tea parties, and the removable infuser lets you brew loose leaf directly inside. One air fryer? Try 2, because the Medea dual basket air fryer oven brings double the power in one smart machine. With a massive 11-quart capacity and dual baskets, you can cook 2 meals at once. And with Smart Sync Finish, everything finishes hot and ready together. Grill, roast, dehydrate, bake, toast, you name it. Connect it to Wi-Fi, control it with Alexa, and use the M Smart app to unlock 50+ recipes at your fingertips. If you're serious about effortless, high-tech cooking, this is your new kitchen MVP. Pour like a pro with the FineDose Diamond Luxe Olive Oil Dispenser. This 350 ml glass bottle isn't just eye-catching, it's built smart with an automatic pour spout that opens when you tilt and seals tight when you're done. No drips, no mess. It's crafted with 304 stainless steel, includes a retractable funnel, and comes with 12 stylish labels so you can customize your kitchen vibe. Whether it's oil, vinegar, or salad dressing, this bottle delivers with control, cleanliness, and class. Tired of guessing if your fridge is cold enough? Let tech do the work with the Govee Life Wi-Fi refrigerator thermometer. This isn't just a thermometer, it's your fridge watchdog. Get real-time readings, instant alerts via app, email, or buzzer, and track temps from anywhere. With a 230-foot range and support for up to 10 sensors, this is whole home freshness control. The ultra-thin cable preserves your fridge seal, while its magnetic back and hanging options make placement a breeze. Meet your fridge's coolest new tenant, Monkey Business Chill Bill Refrigerator Deodorizer, the adorable penguin that fights funky odors with style. Fill him with regular baking soda, pock him on a shelf, and let this little guy go to work. Made from plastic and silicone, Chill Bill is as functional as he is fun. Measuring just under 4 inches tall, he's compact, lightweight, and fits anywhere. No electricity, no refills, just weeks of freshness from one baking soda fill. Take your breakfast game to the next level with the Ofel Overnight Oats containers, a gorgeous set of 4 16-ounce glass jars. Made from thick, lead-free glass with real acacia wood lids, these jars are as Instagrammable as they are useful. The leak-proof, airtight design keeps your oats, yogurts, and puddings fresh, even on the go. Need storage for snacks or spices? Done! The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning a breeze, and they're even stackable to save precious fridge space. Running out of counter space? Not anymore. The Toolfell Expandable dish rack stretches to match your kitchen's needs, whether you're drying dinner plates, wine glasses, or a pile of pots and pans. It expands when you need space, folds down when you don't. But here's where it stands out, the auto drain design. Water slides straight off the rack through a stretchable outlet and into the sink. Oh, and the cutlery holder? 3 compartments, built-in drainage, always organized. If you want clutter-free counters and dry dishes fast, this rack's a total win. That wraps up our roundup of 25 Amazon kitchen gadgets everyone's picking up in mid-2025. Found a favorite? I've linked every product in the description so you can check them out. These gadgets are trending for a reason. Don't wait too long if one catches your eye. And hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I've got even more clever kitchen gadgets coming your way in the next video. Thanks for watching.